Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ronix TV. And again, my name is Ronnie and my wife Nikki and Rania and Rocco at the back of our car.
Say hi. Okay, I can reside there.
So now it's Friday and the temperature this time in the UAE is too hot. We saw a new place there near in the Emirates Palace, but we don't know that one before.
Wow,
So when we researched that place, that place is I think it's a new historical place here in Abu Dhabi, especially because it's a founders memorial. So it's a founders memorial. I think it's late His Highness Sheikh Zayed memorial place. If you don't know that place, so it's best time to give you an idea. And this is our first time also to go there, so I hope
free entry.
Yeah, it's free entry, so that's why we go there. And
9 to 10 p.m.
yeah, so we'll try to check that place. I'm excited also, so come on, join our family and let's look around in that place. So here we go. If you're going here in the Founders Memorial, actually it's in the front of beside Emirates Palace and almost front of Jumeirah building. So there's a lot of parking if you go to the memorials. So this is I think the 18th Street that you can park for free, because you know here in Abu Dhabi there's no more parking free here, especially here in the city. So come on, let's go. Let's check what's inside there. Come on, Rocco. Come on. So here it is. Yeah, so this is the entrance to go here. Yeah. Okay. So it's a big screen. LED screen. Okay, and it's so plain. Okay. Pilipino. Paano ginawa yung? Okay, sige. So, merong okay. May short video. So, meron din silang headset. Complete. Okay. So, you need to use the headset. This is the screen. And they enclose this area.
For you to hear, there's a headset.
It looks something like this.
So we're going now to the place where you can see the constellation, but they said it's advisable and more you can see more beautiful and amazing at night, because there's a light and there's some form of a cable and some like a cube like steel, something like that, to form in the one angle that it's formed Sheikh Zayed face. So we're going now there. This is what I'm talking about regarding the like an image of Sheikh Zayed, but this angle is I think it's in the back side, so you cannot see here the image of Sheikh Zayed. So but this time here's the Emirates Palace at my back, sorry, at my right side, and this is the Etihad Jumeirah Tower and Bab Al Qasar on the front, and this is the Adnoc building here. I think before it's like a small like what is it, curtain of something gems, when I always passing here in the marina, going Marina Mall in the Corniche. But when I saw it personally, it's a very huge art creation. So now we're going down, and with my family and my little brave boy there. And I like the vibes here. See, it's greeny and so clean and relaxing. A lot of trees, but of course the temperature around this time in UAE is around 40 degrees. So even this time it's 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the afternoon, but still it's too hot. So there's a lot of cleaners here. They're taking care 24/7 the park or the Founders Memorial. Now I can see the angles of Sheikh Zayed face in this side, but still you can find which angle is the best to look. But still I like this place. It's so relaxing. A lot of birds and a lot of trees, calm, peaceful. So now I think it's this angle. Yes, wait, come here. Come here. This angle you can see the face of Sheikh Zayed. But today it's too early to find and look for the image that created by the, you see that balls and some cube and triangular what's a solid ball that created in the cable. Then a certain angle that there's a certain angle on it you can see, you can look the Sheikh Zayed face. So this is the nearest possible that I can show you the image in the morning time or in the afternoon time. So I'll try to check after we go in the mall later. So what is the image if there's a light? So we're in the nearest here. Okay. So as you can see, there's a water. There's like a small canal coming from there, that side. So we'll go there. Come on, Rocco. Rocco, come here. So this is the water came from. This. Okay. So here it's like a fountain of water, or like a spring. It's still you cannot picture the image of Sheikh Zayed because there's a light, so it should be in the night time. So I hope today we'll go in the mall and then I'll come back to show you the with the lights. So from the water there, like the spring coming from here, going this side. So in this, I think this is the line that you can see the image, the perfect image of Sheikh Zayed. So here it is. This is the water goes down and coming from up there. So this is the shape of the I'm talking about regarding the steel.
The 5 platonic
Yeah,
solids.
the 5 platonic solids. So different kind of shapes. Same like this. This is the square.
Square. And this
The
ball.
cube.
And ball. And this the ball. This ball.
So we're going outside and we'll come back later once they will open the lights, and we'll see a much better image of Sheikh Zayed. We're back after an hour of we went to the grocery, we went to the supermarket, then we cannot sleep without seeing this image at night. So I'll show you again, and we're now here again in the Founders Memorial. Rocco, say hi to the...
Hi. There's the worms.
worms?
Yes.
Yeah, because Rocco saw the worm.
I'm scared to it.
You're no scared at worm?
Yes.
Really? This is the image of Sheikh Zayed. Here, so it's in the see that the face image. So I'm going a little bit near. So see this same like a constellation. You see that one. Let's check the another side, another angle. This, wait, you can see the side. Okay. So I'll show you. It's already night time, but still the moist and hot is in the air. So thank you for watching. I hope it gives you information, and I hope that it entertains you in a different way or something like that. So please comment if you have, and subscribe also to our family, and that's it. Bye.
Bye.